job sites can often be chaotic. Josam Company recognizes that receiving, identifying, and matching up incoming products can take a considerable amount of time, which adds to labor costs and reduces profits. In particular, drains and carriers require multiple components which are time-consuming to assemble and often lead to lost parts. That's why Josam Company ships its products pre-packaged, labeled with part numbers, and partially assembled at no extra charge. Josam's pre-packaged, tagged, and partially assembled product saves time and labor. Each item is individually wrapped and upon request tagged with specific product designations for easy on-site identification and transportation. Shrinkwrapping protects the product from harsh weather conditions and reduces lost parts. All Josam shrink wrap material is environmentally friendly and biodegradable. Josam understands that reducing labor hours on a project can add to your company's profitability. Our unique packaging and labeling system reduces the time spent identifying, handling, and keeping track of every shipment received. Reduce man-hours spent receiving and identifying drains, and settle for nothing less than Josam's packaged drainage products.